All right, here is today's plan. The sub will give you a Halloween budget sheet as well as this that goes with it. So this is kind of both a budgeting and kind of checking account type review. So the first thing you have to do is calculate your total deductions, figure out your net pay. Then this is kind of like our transactions we did when we did our checking accounts. So I am looking here and writing down what I have. So the directions say start by calculating my net income. Then I'm going to read each of those cards at the bottom of the page, record the information for each situation. Find the correct balance for each transaction, and then answer the final question at the bottom of the page. So this is just for dates. We're using the month of October, so you could just do October 1st, October 2nd, and so on. So that's the first thing you're going to do. You'll fill in that. The questions here about it, you will turn that into the sub when you are done. Then you will head over to Otis, and I have 3 additional assignments posted. First, you will complete the saving as a teen. And so you will click here. It's going to take you to another link in order to find the answers that I need. So that one should be fairly simple. Then you're going to come to the next one called Saving versus Investing. So that's kind of what we talked about yesterday. Once again, you have a link that is helping you find these answers. So that's what I'm expecting, that you're not using Google. I'm expecting that you are pulling answers directly from the different resources that I'm giving you. This one does have quite a few more questions. And so this one will take a little bit more time. But once again, like I said, pulling it from here. Unless it says in your own words. Then the final thing you are doing is diving into different types of investments. So this we didn't really talk about yet, but is a good just kind of brief overview of the different investing options. Once again, here's a link that you can use to find these things. Note it says, give a brief explanation in your own words. So that is the plan for today. First, you are completing that paper pencil worksheet, turning it in, and then you will be hopping onto Otis to work on these 3 other assignments.